Coding Challenge 6, the Days of the Week nursery rhyme. So the aim of this challenge is to ask the user what day of the week they were born on, and then depending on what day it is, you can give them an appropriate response. So if they enter Tuesday, here, as per the nursery rhyme at the bottom, you'd say Tuesday's child is full of grace, or output, you are full of grace. So that will work for the bronze version. You're just using if and else statements. The silver version is the same as the bronze, but you add an else statement at the end, so that if they enter something like tomorrow or some other day that's not a day of the week, then you can output an appropriate response, like invalid response. And the gold, same as both of the above, but you use the .lower method so that you can, if they type in Monday with a capital M, or they type it all in capitals, it'll still work just as well. And also throw in a couple of os.system clears and time.sleeps to make your program look a bit prettier. So let's give you a demonstration on each of those. So let's have a look. Bronze one, nice and simple. If you put Monday, it will output the appropriate response there. Monday's child is full of fair of face. Let's say full of face then. And just to show that I'm not cheating, if you put Tuesday, there you go, Tuesday's child is full of grace. So it will pick the appropriate response. So that's the bronze version. Let's have a look at the silver version. Silver version, again, just like before, but this time if you put like some rubbish response like Bob, it will say invalid day. So it's letting you know that you've done something wrong. And the gold version, same as the above, but if you, let's say I type in Friday, it will still detect that it is Friday. Friday's child is full of loving and giving. There you go. And if you notice there, without me typing, it's also waited a couple of seconds, displayed the response, and then waited, and then cleared the screen and said goodbye. There you go. Good luck with the challenge.